a potential bombshell in the Supreme Court. There is speculation Justice Anthony Kennedy may be preparing to retire, and that would mean another appointee for President Trump. And the Trump administration is announcing they will review the Iran nuclear deal. Secretary of State Rex Tillerson talking tough, calling it a failure despite Iran's compliance. Also, President Trump is getting ready to host the Italian Prime Minister at the White House this afternoon, all ahead of his first trip overseas as president. We'll have much more on all of that. But first, let's get to the new twist in the immigration case making headlines this morning. A 23-year-old dreamer deported, and now we know the judge who is set to hear that case is the same one Trump attacked on the campaign trail, questioning his impartiality because of his Mexican heritage. Our senior White House correspondent Cecilia Vega has that story. Good morning, Cecilia.
Hey, Amy, good morning to you. You remember it. This was a major controversy from the campaign that found then candidate Trump under fire from even his own allies. The judge that Trump said shouldn't preside over one of his cases because of his heritage is now presiding over another case involving the Trump administration and immigration.
This morning, the judge at the center of one of President Trump's most controversial campaign moments is back in the spotlight. By complete coincidence, Judge Gonzalo Curiel will now preside over a controversial case involving the Trump administration, a federal lawsuit brought by a dreamer who was deported to Mexico. Then candidate Trump famously attacked the Indiana-born judge who presided over a Trump University suit, calling him unfit to oversee the case because of his Mexican heritage.
There's a hostility toward me by the judge, tremendous hostility, beyond belief. I believe he happens to be Spanish, which is fine. He's Hispanic, which is fine.
Before Curiel now, a case involving Juan Manuel Montes, a 23-year-old who illegally immigrated with his parents as a young child, a so-called dreamer who under President Obama received protected status from deportation. President Trump had said under his new immigration rules, dreamers would also be protected.
They shouldn't be very worried. I do have a big heart. We're going to take care of everybody.
Immigration officials now pushing back, saying Montes had left the country, making him eligible for deportation. Now it's Judge Curiel who's in the middle.
So how did this case end up again before this judge? Well, in this Southern California district court, judges are selected based on a rotating schedule. Experts tell us this is basically a case, George, of legal roulette, a complete coincidence.
Okay, Cecilia Vega, thanks very much.